Hello everyone, today we are going to solve remove zero sum consecutive nodes from a linked list problem. So in this problem we are given a head of a linked list and we repeatedly delete consecutive sequence of node that sums to 0 until there are no such sequence present. After doing so we have to return the head of final linked list. Okay, so if you see in this linked list we have 1, 2, minus 3, 3 and 1. So what we can do actually is this 1, 2 and this. Sum of this will be 0. So we will delete this. So our answer will be this. Either we can do this or we can remove these two. Minus 3 and 3 and our answer will be 1 to 1. So if this question asks it in your interview, so how you are gonna solve this? Let's see. So this is our list. So let's see how we are going to solve this problem. So in this problem, what we do, first of all, we need a dummy node. Why we need a dummy node? Because it may be possible that we delete the first three character or the first node. So if we need the first, so the head will be different. So for that reason, I am using one dummy node. And let's say this is, I am in this slide with 0. And I need one prefix sum. I will use prefix sum and I will store it into, I will initialize in map, I will initialize with 0 and I will store it in map. And what I will do, I will iterate through this and whenever I find a prefix sum is inside the map, that means we found a sub array or a sub list which sum is 0. Let's have a dry run to understand it. So first of all, I will start. My dummy node will point to 1 and I will make my current this. Now what I will do actually is, first of all I will see if 0 is present in map or not. It's not present. So what I will do, this is my sum and this is my node. So I will present my sum and node here. After that what I will do, I will move my current to 1 and then I will see if 1 is, and I will update my prefix sum by 1. Now I will see if 1 is there or not. If it is not there, then I will place it here. My sum is 1 and node is 1. Then I will see if 2 is present or not. If 2 is not present, then what I will do, I will make my prefix sum 3 and make, this is my sum and this is at which node? Node 2. Now I will comes to minus 3. So once I comes to minus 3, my prefix sum will be 0. So I will see that 0 is already present. If 0 is already present, then what I will do, I will move my current from here to this node. Not current, not this. I will make it to current nest. Okay, this nest. Now what I will do, I will make one variable p which is equals to my prefix sum plus this. It will equals to 1. So now if you see, this is 0, here our sum is 0, here our sum is 0. Okay, here our sum is 0, here our sum is 0. So what we are gonna do this, we are going to delete this node. Okay, so let's see how we are gonna delete this. So my p is 1. Until my p again equals to 0, I will delete this node. So now p is 1 which is not equals to 0. So what I will do, I will delete this one and this one from my map. Okay, now my current will point to its next element. Current will point to 2 and what will be my p? P will be 1 plus 2, it will be 3. Now it is 3. So I will see, I will delete this 3 as well because 3 is not equals to 0. So I will delete this. Now my map have only dummy node and now I will do move my current from here to here. Now my current is here. Now my previous, now my p will be, this sum will be 0. As my previous sum is equals to this, so what I will do, I will no longer delete anything from map because we didn't include this in our map. Now what we will do, we will make our this zeros nest to 3. So we will remove this link, and make this link. Okay, so as you can see that now there is no, they are not present here. So we can remove this. Now what we will do, we will move our current from here to here. Now we will again check. Now our prefix sum will be 3. So 3 is not present. We will put 3 here and node 3. Now we will put 1 here. That is 3 plus 1, 4. So we will put 4 here and node 1. And finally our list is gone. List is completed. So we will return. Do we need dummy? Not. We will return dummy nest. We will return this. That is 3, 1. So our answer will be this. And this will be true. So let's see the code for better understanding. So first of all, I will use unorder map which have this int. Int will store the prefix sum and the list node will store the node. Okay. Then I am using this dummy node which have the value 0 and it will point to our current head. Okay. Then I am using this prefix sums to calculate the sum. Now if I will iterate through the list and calculate the prefix sum, which will be prefix sum print current value. If current value exists, then I will do this. If it is not exist, then I will add into my map. So if it is exist, then what I will do, I will move my current from that point to the point which have the same value to its nest. Let's say if my prefix sum is 0, so I will move its nest, that is 1, because this is the 0, so I have to delete this. So I will make my prefix sum nest value and then I will use my p, and p is equals to prefix sum plus current val, and then I will delete it from map. Okay, then I will erase values from my map, and after that finally I will link my dummy nest to this. So how I can do, prefix sum nest will be current nest, and after doing this I will again check for another cycle. Okay, it may be possible that after deleting this consecutive 0 node there may be other nodes. Okay, then finally what I will return dummy nest, that is 3. So this is a very simple solution, but there are something that we can do better. Right now if you see, we are deleting these nodes. Okay, so how we can improve this section, let's see. But before going that, let's see the time complexity. So the time complexity of this solution will be O of n, and we are doing it in a single pass. Okay, we are doing it in a single pass, and the space complexity of this solution in the worst case will be of n for storing these nodes in hash map. Okay, so let's see the second solution, which will be very neat and clean. So in this solution, first of all we need a dummy node, because it may be possible we are gonna delete this, so we will use dummy node here. And now what we are gonna do is, instead of adding our nodes to map and checking simultaneously, what we will do, in a single pass, in one pass we will add everything into our map, and in the second pass we will do this changing of link. So let's do it first. So what I will do, I am making this my prefix sum equals to 0. Okay, and my dummy is pointing to head, and my map. So this is my map. Let's see why we are doing this. We are doing this solution to reduce the headache of that deleting from map. So we are not deleting, okay, in this case. So what I will do, first of all my PS is 0, so I will make my 0 as 0. Then my current moves to 1, so 1 is not present, so what I will do, make it 1 as 1. Okay, then 2, making my PS 3, and adding here 3, sum is 3, node is 2. Okay, then I will make 3, it will make 6 and make node 3. Now as I go here at this point, what it will be my PS? Prefix sum will be again 3. Earlier we are adding here, but now we will not add. We will just update this value. We will update this value and make it -3. And why? Because when we start PS again, when we start from here, at this point, our previous sum will be 3. So we will check out from this list where this 3 is, this is -3. So what we will do, here prefix sum is 3. If you calculating here 0, 1, 2, prefix sum is 3. We will check it here. This is 3 and 3 this. So we will sure then the sum is 0. Here the sum is 0. So what we will do, we will point our 2 to nest of this. Okay, so we are updating here. Now this will be our -3 and this is our 1. Okay, so for now we are just storing. Okay, we are just storing. Let's see it later. We update this. Now what we do after this, we comes to -2. So once we comes to -2, our prefix sum will be 1. Our prefix sum will be 1. So we will go at 1 and change this to -2. This will be -2. Now after adding everything to MP, we do not need this. We finally, how do we do that? Basically we start from current. We again start. Okay, this is our second. We again start from 1. We again start from dummy, and we will see is 0 is present here. Yeah, and 0 nest is zero's nest. What is zero's nest? We will point to this. So 0 nest is 1. So we will make it here. Now we will come here. C1 current PS sum will be our 1. So now we will check 1 is -2. So we will make our 1 to -2 nest. Okay, directly -2 nest. That means this will be gone. This will be gone. Yeah, that's the very simple solution. Like we do not need to think about this, because if you see clearly, what was the solution of that? If you see that 1 is pointing to 2 and 2 is pointing to 3 and 3 is pointing to -3 and -3 will pointing to -2. So here, first of all, this two links will be gone. After that, this 2 -2, this will also gone. So what will be our answer? A single node, this. So what we will return here? We will also return here dummy nest. So this will be written. So now let's see the code of this, and you will realize it is very cleaner version of earlier solution. So how do we start? First of all, we are using this dummy. Dummy has the value 0 and dummy nest is pointing to head. Then we will take our prefix sum, which is 0, and then first of all we include everything in our map and we update this nodes if needed. Then what we will do, we will again start it from our dummy, and then we make our I nest points to same prefix I will nest. Okay, so 1, it will not points to check 2 3 this. It will see where the again sum will become 1. So if here's our sum is 1, here is our sum is 1, that means this whole will make sum 0. This whole makes sum 0. So we will delete entire. Okay, we will check where our 1 will become next time 1. Okay, and we will see the last node where it will become 1. Okay, the last node where it become 1, and we will delete the entire between them. Okay, so this is a very cleaner solution than earlier. Now, and the time complexity of this solution will be of n. Basically we are passing 2 times, so we can say 2n, but it is much cleaner than earlier one, and the space complexity will be of n for using this. So the complexities are same, but if you say the how clean and neat and clean code it is, so this is the neat and cleaner version of last one. So I hope you understand both solution. If you have any doubt, you can ping me in the comment section. Do not forget to like and subscribe to my video channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.